You think you're in control, that you've got your emotions handled, but then, bam, one comment, one situation, and suddenly you're spiraling angry, anxious, overthinking. You tell yourself, I don't care. But if you really didn't, why does it keep replaying in your mind? Most people aren't in control of their emotions. They're at the mercy of their past, their unconscious patterns, reacting instead of choosing. And the worst part, they don't even realize it. Carl Jung warned us, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. In this video, we're going deep into your mind, your reactions, your hidden programming. Because once you understand this, nothing, no one will ever be able to shake your inner peace again. Let's begin. Most people believe peace comes from changing external circumstances, more money, better relationships, escaping conflict. They think, if I could just remove the negative things, I'd be happy. Wrong. History proves this isn't true. How many wealthy, famous, and powerful people have ended up miserable? From emperors to modern celebrities, they have everything, yet struggle with depression, addiction, or breakdowns. The problem isn't the world, it's how we process the world. Imagine your mind as a lens. If the lens is dirty, everything you see will be distorted. Most people's minds are clouded by unconscious wounds, past conditioning, and false narratives, so they keep experiencing the same emotional pain over and over. Jung called this the shadow self, the hidden, unacknowledged parts of you that control your reactions. And until you face them, they will control you. Just tell me, have you ever noticed how certain situations always trigger you the same way? That one comment that always makes you feel unworthy, that rejection that always makes you feel like you're not enough, that mistake that keeps making you feel like a failure, it's because you're not reacting to reality. You're reacting to a past version of yourself. Psychologists have proven that emotional responses often aren't about the present moment. Your brain retrieves past experiences and replays old emotional scripts. For example, if as a child you were constantly criticized, you may automatically feel defensive when someone gives feedback, even if they mean well. Your mind isn't seeing the present, it's reliving the past. This is where Carl Jung's work comes in. He taught that self-awareness is the only way to break free. The moment you see your patterns for what they are, they lose their grip on you. So here's the first exercise. Next time something upsets you, stop and ask, where have I felt this before? Trace it back. See the pattern. Once you become aware of it, it loses its power. Because Jung wasn't just a philosopher, he was a psychologist who studied the unconscious mind. He discovered something powerful. You are not your emotions. Most people identify with their thoughts and feelings. They say, I am angry. But no, you're experiencing anger. It's not you. It's just a passing state. Imagine this. Your mind is a river constantly flowing with thoughts and emotions. Most people get swept away by the current, believing every emotion is reality, but the secret is you are not the river. You are the observer on the riverbank. When you realize this, emotions no longer control you. You can watch them come and go without drowning in them. This is what the Stoics, the Buddhists, and even modern neuroscientists agree on. Detachment is power. So what's the ultimate takeaway? Nothing external can truly affect you, only your interpretation of it. This is why two people can experience the same event, but react completely differently. Your reactions are shaped by unconscious beliefs. Until you become aware of them, you'll keep repeating the same emotional patterns. You are not your emotions. The more you detach and observe, the less power they have over you. Jung's work teaches us that true freedom isn't controlling the world, it's mastering ourselves. So next time life tests you before reacting, take a breath. Watch your emotions like passing clouds. That's when you'll realize nothing outside you has power over you anymore. This is just the beginning. Jung's work is a doorway to self-mastery, emotional freedom, and true power. If you're ready to go deeper, let me know in the comments. And remember, the world doesn't control you, you do.